Saturday. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, yeah. It is Saturday, and I think we're gonna get outside today. It is nice and warm, but first we're gonna get ready. Hi, guys. Hi. Hmm? Good morning. It's 9 in the morning on Saturday. We are getting up. Good morning, Genesis. We have to make sure he is on the potty. You gonna go pee pee? You go pee pee? Yes. Hope we can get Genesis to get on the potty next time because it would be nice to have them all potty trained together, but it is a process. Go pee pee, go pee pee, go pee pee. Everything goes. Just imagine, just imagine. In my pocket. You going potty? Yeah. So now I have the kids dressed and fed for breakfast. I'm in my room, and I am gonna get dressed myself, and more than likely check some emails today and fill some orders. Are we gonna have a good day today? Yeah. You look so pretty. What? What do you want to say? That was the breakfast. You had watermelon, French toast. Huh? shower now and get dressed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today I'm pretty much going to be picking out the looks that I want for my website for spring. I'm going to be looking at a lot of swimwear today. Until then, I'm going to get dressed and get ready for my day. I don't always wear a full face of makeup on a regular day basis. It's just like pointless. Let's put on some concealer, do my eyebrows, and that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing. Working from my computer, filling some orders, updating my website, and returning some emails. Because of course I am a one-woman show over here, so I try to be very, very prompt with responding to my customers as fast as I can with any questions that they have. So this is a season that people are more than likely going on their vacations, and I need to make sure my website is prepped and ready for vacations and friendcations and do you vacations, and of course I got my groove bag vacations, you know. So I definitely have a variety of items on my website that I offer every year, and of course swimsuits is definitely a go-to look for me. People love the unique styles that I pick out, and yeah, I definitely get my customers together for sure. Hey. Hi. So since I am just doing concealer today, because I don't want a heavy look today, I'm not going nowhere, and I am definitely not impressing anybody. But like, I'm trying to impress anybody any other day, but still, you know what I'm talking about. This is not necessary to put on a full face of makeup all the time. You gotta make sure you blend everything. And this is just for me. I want to put on a little bit of something today, but not a whole lot. I'm just gonna put a little bit of shimmer. My signature look, just put a little bit in the crease of my eye here. A little glam, just a little bit. And just blend it out. So I'm gonna retwist the front of my hair. Make sure that my hair is nice and neat for pictures I'm going to take later. I do have some new arrivals for spring showing up today. Of course, once I get them, I always take a look at my products and make sure that they are good enough to sell before I put them out there. But I'm really excited about the swimwear line that I have coming out. It is very, very cute. I'm trying to do a different look and more, of course, more high quality. As every year progresses, I love to upgrade my looks because it shows growth, and people like to see how far you have come from when you first started. So I'm going to go ahead and just get my hair together and be back with more. So I'm finishing up, retwisting, and making my hair nice and neat. And proceed to get on a computer and work on my website. So I really love when springtime comes around and summer. The vibrant colors are everything. Very fun. So I have the kids occupied, and now I'm just going to do a little bit of work. Genesis has her Mickey Mouse tablet. My room and work on my website. I have some orders to fill. There were some orders that came in last night. So to conclude this video, I'm going to show you how I create a product to list on my website. I just finished filtering out some swimsuits that I'm going to add to my collection this year. I'm going to show you how I create a product. You would go into Shopify, if you have that platform to build your website, and click on products. And then you would add a product. And I'm going to drop in one of the cutest looks that I've found so far. Like, all of them are cute. But this swimsuit here is everything. Like, for real. Super cute. Let me scoot back for you guys so you can see. Isn't that cute? So I'll go ahead and apply this to my website, put in the category that's needed, and of course I will select new, so people that are looking through the new items that are constantly on my website searching for new things, this will pop up. And of course, if they're on their way on their vacation or whatever the case may be, this is going to stand out. But the goal is to get in all my swimsuits this upcoming week and take pictures in them. I always want to the goal is to fill my whole website with just me so it can be more authentic. But as a mom, I don't always have the time to do that. But that is one of my goals that I'm trying to achieve this season. Hopefully I can get it done, because I want my website to be just like authentic. It's just so much better that way. The reason why I say I want the website to be just me, or like someone of my stature or body type, I like to have a variety. I'm not gonna say I'm just gonna take everything off my website, but I would like to give my customers a realistic look of how my products look on. So I have ordered the ring light, as I said in another video, and I have a backdrop, and I'm actually gonna probably order some different colors for spring, spice it up a little bit and make it fun. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching my channel with more videos for you. Bye, Divine Dolls.